Hello again everybody. Today's lock, going through my pile of unpicked Euro locks. We have a 5-pin Corbin lock. The warding is actually quite challenging on it, it's very tight at the top. And if we look at the key, bitting's not too bad, but number 1 and number 5 are very high. They take a bit of getting to. So if you give me a minute, I will clamp this up in the vise and we'll get started. Alright, here we go, let's give this one a try. So, there we go, all working nice and smooth. There's the bitting again. Let's give this one a go. We're going to start at the front. There was a click from one. There we go, 3. That gave us movement on the core. 2 now fills. That was a good click from 2. That feels set. 4. Oh, that could well be set. Let's see if we can get onto 5. The awkward one right at the back. Doesn't seem to want to do anything. Let's just check all these again. I'm not sure about. Oh, there we go. It was 4. Right. Oops, sorry about that. Just adjust the camera. Right, let's give this one a go. Let's get this clip off. Turn that to the top. And with a bit of luck, the core should now come sliding out. There we go. Just put that to one side for a second while we try and deal with the rest of this. Right, let's see if we can do this 1 pin at a time. Right, that was number 5, which is a spool. 4, another spool. 3, 3, another spool, 2, another spool, and finally number 1 with all the other guts is a standard. Alright, and then let's see what we've got in the bottom. Standard, 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 and they look like steel pins. Standard, standard, they all look like steel. That looks like a little bit more. Whether you could actually classify that as counter milling or not, I don't know. It's very, very shadowed, no threading or anything. Yeah, but all the bottom pins look like they're steel, all the top look like they're brass. But that is what we have. And the Corbin 5-pin Euro cylinder. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.